Now we are unboxing Nokia 110 4G phone. This will support even the Jio SIM card. Dual SIM comes with a 2 SIM slots. Micro USB charging support cable adapter. Quick start guide. Beautiful yellow color phone. Charging port. Camera, rear camera, torch light. Audio jack. Very smooth keys. Lock unlock facility. HD calls over 4G network. Even FM channels can be supported. 1.8 inches display. Micro SD card support up to 32 GB. Torch separate provision is available. Internet browser, games. Overall a good design, good battery backup, which lasts up to 1 week, 10 days.